Hey everyone, my name's Mitch. I'm the owner of Mitchell Plumbing and Gas. I'm going to talk about solar hot water. One of the services we provide is installation, maintenance and repairs to help maximise the efficiency of your investment in solar hot water. Solar hot water is a great way to save money. So solar hot water is basically a combination of a storage tank and panels on your roof, with a circulating pump that circulates the hot water from your panels into your storage tank to store that hot water for use later on. It's very energy efficient and cost-effective way to save money on hot water heating. There are two main types of solar hot water systems that we see in residential homes. The first being a high line installation, which is where the tank and the solar panels are on the roof, and then a low line system which has the tank on the ground that circulates the water from the ground to the roof. These days, the best solar hot water systems to install are usually the Reams, but there are also some locally manufactured and owned brands such as Solar Arc that are also great options that use evacuated tubes. Depending on how your plumbing's set up, if you've already got a solar hot water unit on the roof that has the tank as well, that's a high line system. It's usually easier to replace that with a like for like. But if you've currently got an electric hot water system on the ground, the best thing to do for the adaptability to the current plumbing would be to set it up with low line system where the tank is on the ground and it circulates the water from the ground tank to the panels on the roof. Generally, when it comes to serviceability, the ground-based tanks are easier for maintenance and replacement. As far as lifelines are concerned, they both have generally 10 to 15 year life cycles. One of the main benefits to installing hot water is the amount of money you're going to save on power, and not to mention the environmental benefits. Some of the drawbacks to installing solar hot water is really the initial outlay. Generally, they are quite labour intensive to install or replace. This is due to having to get on the roofs to install panels. There's also a lot more components required in solar hot water units as opposed to general storage tanks. Mitchell Plumbing and Gas specialises in solar hot water installations in Brisbane. There's many options available when it comes to solar hot water. If you're struggling to make the decision or need any help in figuring that out, we're the experts. We'll help steer you in the right direction, depending on your budget and your home and your needs.